Tired of swirls and scratches ruining your car's shine? Meet the AVID Power Buffer Polisher, your detailing game changer. Imagine transforming your car's finish in your own driveway. Whether you're a car owner, detailer, or DIY enthusiast, this is for you. Let's explore what makes this polisher a must-have tool. First, wide applications. Not just for cars, polish, remove swirls, scratches, and defects on any painted vehicle. Need to sand wood or metal? This tool handles it too. Next, the variable 6-speed control dial stands out. Easily adjust speed from 1500 to 6800 RPM for every task. Low speed for gentle waxing and buffing. Medium speed for deep polishing and cleaning. High speed for removing paint defects and oxidation fast. Every detailer craves comfort during long jobs. The ergonomic handle and rubberized body deliver non-slip control. No more worrying about dropping your buffer mid-detail. Quick operation means it's beginner-friendly, yet pro-level powerful. Perfect for your first car or a fleet of clients' vehicles. Dual-action random orbital motion ensures swirl-free results. No burns, no missed spots, just flawless, even shine. This is a major upgrade from ordinary polishers. Now, let's talk about the complete kit. You get the AVID Power DA Polisher, 3 polishing pads, a pad disc, detachable D-handle, spanner, and hex wrench included. Plus, a user manual for quick setup and tips. Special note, equipped with 7-inch foam pads. These pads protect your car from accidental scratches. The hard edge of the 6-inch backing never touches your paint. Let's see the transformation in real life. Start with a dull, scratched surface. Set your speed, attach the right pad, and glide effortlessly. Watch swirls, scratches, and oxidation disappear before your eyes. Reveal a mirror-like shine in just minutes. Feel the comfort of the ergonomic grip as you work. No fatigue, no slipping, just total control. Even beginners achieve professional results with ease. Auto detailers save time and boost customer satisfaction. DIYers enjoy the pride of flawless finishes at home. Why settle for less when you can upgrade your detailing? The AVID Power Buffer Polisher delivers versatility and reliability. From waxing to heavy defect removal, it does it all. Adjust speed on the fly for every detailing challenge. Protect your paint with advanced dual-action technology. Experience the difference of true swirl-free polishing. Every pass brings out deeper gloss and clarity. No more uneven results or wasted effort. This is the tool your garage has been missing. Ready to level up your car care routine? Grab the AVID Power Buffer Polisher today. Enjoy a complete kit with everything you need. Transform your car, your workflow, and your results. Professional quality is now in your hands. Don't wait. Give your vehicle the shine it deserves. Order your AVID Power Buffer Polisher and see the difference. Upgrade your detailing. Experience flawless shine. Start today. AVID Power, where every detail counts.